beauty. You're welcome back to my channel. So if today is your first day seeing me on this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell below. So yes, today I want to teach you how you can actually make a repair oil. This repair oil, you can use this repair oil on stretch marks. It will help minimize the appearance of your stretch marks. So you can actually use this oil to repair damaged skin. You want to renew the skin, you want to heal the skin, please, you can use this oil for them, because the basic or the main components in this recipe I'll be teaching you, or I'll be dropping, I'm dropping a recipe, I'm not doing a practical, so I'm dropping a recipe. The main ingredient in the oil is collagen, because yes, we're not doing without collagen today. So you want to learn how to make a stretch mark repair oil. Yes, this video is for you. You are a skincare formulator, you need a simple DIY. You need how you can just mix or combine products together, over-the-counter products, to actually get a good result. Yes, this video is for you. So grab your pen, grab your book, and listen to me, write down as I teach you this. So yeah, do not mind my spot. I'm just recovering from acne, so yes, it usually leaves a spot on me, but it's fading gradually. So now please, we are on sales. Our natural skincare products are on sales, like our lotion, our soap, our black soap, our all our skincare, our brand, customized HBM brand is on sales. I'm not talking of over-the-counter products, we are talking about our customized brand is on sale. So please patronize us. The sales last up to 25th of November this month. So please come and buy your skincare products at a cheaper discounted rate. We are doing 20% discount off. Come and get your lightening set, get your flawless set, get your blemish, your pimple set, the set I use for my acne, get your sunburn or hyperpigmentation set. Please come and get all the sets at an affordable rate. Okay, so just send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up there on the screen. And yes, we do skincare trainings, we do online skincare trainings. So if you're interested in any of our online skincare trainings, so please enroll for our skincare training by sending a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up on the screen. So we also sell raw materials, raw botanical powder, first grade cosmetics powder, first grade herbal powders you can use to make any kind of fertility herbs, make body enhancement herbs, make flat tummy herbs. We sell all those things here at HBN. So please patronize your girl, support my mission. Yeah, so first products, I don't know why I keep looking over there. Actually, something is catching my attention there. So I hope you're with your pen, you're with your books, and please do write down. So we're making a stretch mark repair oil, or basically we're making a repair oil. All right, I've explained initially what this oil can do for your skin, and this oil can also be applied like 2 times in a week. All right, you just put it into your routine, your skincare routine, and apply like 2 times a week, so that you'll be able to just nourish the skin, repair the skin, especially for those people doing skin whitening. All right, this is going to help you a lot. So now the number 1 product you will need to actually make this repair oil. Yeah, this repair oil is actually a promixing recipe. It's not a natural skincare. I am not making from scratch, I am promixing. So I'm giving you a promixing recipe, but of course it's a repair oil. It's not gonna whiten your skin, it will not lighten your skin, it will repair your skin. So number 1 product we need, which is an over-the-counter product, is your Russian collagen oil. This is Russian collagen oil. Can you see? So this is Russian collagen oil. Yeah, so I've actually been talking about this oil, and so many of you have been asking me about this oil. Now this oil is very, very important for you, especially if you Promix skincare product. If you Promix skincare products, you just need to add this oil, okay? In fact, if you add this oil, it's going to help to add more firmness to the skin. So as you're doing skin whitening, your skin is becoming more whiter. This is going to be, you know, repairing the skin, yeah, in its own way, because this contains 92% collagen oil. So if you Promix skincare product like whitening products, please, this is very, very important for you. It's almost out of stock. I think we just have like 6 left. Yeah, so this is very, very important for you. Whenever I'm making natural skincare product from scratch, I usually work with my collagen powder. But if you're Promixing your cream, of course you cannot just go and add collagen powder, because collagen powder needs to be added in a particular phase when you're formulating it, whether hot or cold phase. So when you're Promixing cream, you don't undergo hot phase or cold phase. Of course, you don't pass through it, but this is very important. So on the process of Promixing, please just add this oil. So now you need this oil, all right? You're going to need this oil for your repair oil, and you're going to need 50 ml, like 50 ml of collagen oil. So please do write it down. You're needing 50 ml of collagen oil, all right? So the next oil you will be needing is your recovery oil. This is in the same grade with bio oil, rescue oil, but this is recovery oil. You know, at times when somebody is pregnant, dermatologists will recommend you using bio oil, you using rescue oil, so that it will help your skin, it will help the elasticity of your skin, it will help your skin become more firm, so that as your pregnancy grows, your stretch mark will not start appearing on your belly, all right? So you're going to need this, all right? You will need 30 ml of this, 30 ml of rescue oil, all right? So the next product you will be needing is your lavender repair essence, okay? This alone works very well, even on stretch mark. It helps reduces big scar, like when you're having scars, it helps reduce it, like it will be reducing it gradually. So this is very, very okay for you, all right? So you're going to have 20% or 20 ml. I don't know why I'm always saying percent, because I'm used to percent. So you're going to add 20 ml of this, all right? So here we go again. I said 50 ml of this, I said 30 ml of this, and I said 20 ml of this, all right? So just combine all this oil together, give it a very good stir, and you just bottle it up, and that is all. You have your repair or stretch mark oil. So yes, I don't want to prolong this video today. So please, if you need any of those products, of course it is available here in our store. Yes, I'm not imposing you buying from us, but at least just support your girl, all right? Support our mission, support your girl. So that is why once in a while I try to make review on those products and also show you how to use them, because I know most people they come and ask me, HBM, please give us recipe, give us what will clear stretch mark. And besides, it's not easy me giving you, because I am very busy. So that is why I come once in a while. I give you all products you can combine together, and I still plead that you guys should patronize your girl. All right, so thank you so much. So this is going to help whether you're pregnant, you're not pregnant, or you're having a lot of stretch mark on your skin. Please, you can use this, all right? So for a pregnant woman, you can use this. For somebody who is having a lot of stretch mark on her body, she can use this. For a damaged skin that is bleached, that is looking very, very thin, please, you can use this. And you can also use this as your glow repair therapy oil during the week. Like you can apply this like once or twice in a week, especially for those of you that are doing skin whitening, just to help repair your skin, and at the same time you're doing skin whitening. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.